Hello, guys. Welcome back to my channel. And I hope you all are doing fine. Today is the 18th of May 2021. We're almost halfway, through 2021. Anyways, I would like to bring up, I'm sorry, issues with NDA for UHRS. I understand that you all are worried about it, this is something that I want to say to you. This is my channel, and I am more than happy to share my knowledge and my experience uh, to all the members of the group and to those people who are watching this. I do understand NDA, and for me, it does not matter. What I do is the lesser evil, instead of, I mean, compared to how you guys are getting paid. I mean, you get paid cents for each tasks, which for me isn't acceptable. But anyways, again, what I do is lesser evil than how you all are getting paid. I hope that makes sense to you. So starting from today, I am going to change my screen name, and I am going to make it, or you guys can call me Ghost. All right. So let me do another intro. Hi, welcome back to my channel. I am Ghost, and I am the admin for ClickWorker Philippines. If you want to join the group, just find us in Facebook and answer the membership questions. Subscribe to this channel and send over a screenshot of your subscription. And we're more than happy to welcome you to our Facebook group. So for today, I am recording a an overview of a hit app called How Closely Does the Ad Match the User Intent? And this is in English version. Uh, I have somehow uploaded something like this before, but this one is totally different. So for this one, the ratings are as follows. Now, it is quite confusing because there is something like perfect match, excellent, good, and none of the above. So for rating it as perfect, the ad is an exact match for all other query specifications like model, brand, size, etc. Now, the ad is for the most popular search intent most users expect. The ad must be the most official ad that could be shown. Huh? Okay. Excellent is the ad is an exact match for the query, but not official. The ad is not the most popular search intent most users expect. There is no official site for the query and or the ad is from a non-official site. Good, the ad offers the type of product, services, information the user wants, but is not an exact match to the user's specifications, or ad does not mention the query, but it's clear the user could find what they want from the ad. And the ad offers the correct type of product, but is a larger or smaller selection of products, service information than expected. Or the ad is for a possible search intent, but not the most popular search intent most users expect. Example, query is apple, ad is fresh apples. That's a good thing. They have an example that for that. But these ratings are quite confusing. So you all have to really look at the attributes and be careful with your judgment if you want to pass the qualification and you want to maintain your RTA or your spam score or accuracy. So for this one, the query is Range Rover SVR sale. So how closely does the ad match to the query? So the query is Range Rover SVR sale, and the ad is Land Rover at Auto Trader from click to car in seconds. Find Land Rover with Auto Trader, compare local dealer offers today. Uh, I would say this is excellent, not perfect. Let's see how it goes. So, all right. Unfortunately, it's just a good rating. Again, this is an overview. I do not expect to pass this, but it's a good thing though that I do have this recorded, so you all would have an idea on how to work on it again. I'm no longer doing tutorials. Tutorials is more like giving you answers. It's much better to tag this video as an overview because majority of you all does not have this type of head app available to you. Okay, let's move on. Coffee ice cream recipe homemade. How to make iced coffee. How to make iced coffee. This is totally none of the above. Okay, so Dunham, UK, House of Home, bedding curtains. I would say this is perfect. Let's see how it goes. All right, what is home buyer survey? Home buyer survey, search home. I would say this is just good. It's excellent. All right, let's agree to that. That's why I don't really like, you know, working on these type of hit apps because the answers are really confusing. It'll be all right if they would only have like good or bad, but unfortunately they have these different ratings, and the differences are quite confusing, and there is really no example. Uh, I'm pulling this up, but you all can go through the guidelines. I mean, that's 10 pages. So overstock.com, that's a perfect match for me. And let's move on. Bed skirts queen size. Up to 70%. I would say that's perfect too. It's just excellent. Ad offers exactly what user is looking for. See? But the definition, this one should be the ad is an exact match. It is an exact match for me. Okay, let's just agree to it. Zippo lighters. Perfect. It's excellent as well. Exact match, but it doesn't say if it's perfect. Okay, whatever. Michael Kraft store. For me, that will be an exact match. At support, ATT support, I would say no. Or maybe excellent. It's perfect. All right. It's like I'm just playing with this head app. Sam's Club, it's none of the above for me. It's perfect. All right. Here's what I noticed. This is the query, right? And how closely you have to look at this attribute, and this is going to be the top most five Bing search results for the query provided. This is provided to you to give you more details on what the query means. If you don't understand the query, please take time to read these links and feel free to click on the links to understand the query completely. Let's try it. Best dog food, mini Australian Shepherds. I would say that's just good. Okay. Food processor. Um, Shop Ninja food processor. I think that's just excellent. All right. There are no more available hits for it. I'm so sorry. But okay. Well, I hope this video helps you out. Again, this is just an overview of a hit app from UHRS called How Closely Related is the Ad to the User's Query. And we'll be uploading more videos in regard to this. I'll try to qualify for this, and if I do qualify, I will make a video of that qualification so you all would have an idea what the answer may be, what's wrong and right. And hopefully, I would have time to take the qualification. So I do apologize. I am unable to give you the answers to these qualifications exam. I don't feel it's right. That's quite unfair to all the other micro workers or people who work, in UHRS. Again, this is just an overview that'll help you out in the future, just in case you see this head app available to you. At least you have an idea on how it goes. And by the way, right now we only have about 9 hits or hit apps available in UHRS. It's It's one of those dry months, I guess. But I really don't know with other people. But I guess so long as you keep your accuracy, RTA, spam score numbers high, then you probably get more jobs. And again, jobs from UHRS depends on your language skills, your location. Now, those are the two variables that you know that um, differentiates the numbers of jobs that other people are getting from those living in the Philippines and living in other countries. So again, my name is Ghost from now on. Thank you for watching and have a good day. Bye for now.